Top 10 animals that can defeat a lion. Number 10. Crocodile. Number 9. The black mambas. Number 8. Hyenas. Number 7. Rhinos. Number 6. Tigers. Number 5. Elephants. Number 4. African buffalo. Number 3. Hippos. Number 2. Humans. And number 1, which seems unbelievable, but true, are the mosquitoes. Don't be surprised to see the mosquitoes on this list. They might not be mighty, scary, or even the strong, but mosquitoes can be uncool. Did you know mosquitoes kill more human than any other animals? By most estimates, mosquitoes kill about 750,000 to 1 million human beings. Unbelievable, right? Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to see a full detailed video about this. Thanks for watching.